So hello guys and welcome to SOP Academy. So we have two new updates from two different companies. The first company is MetricStream. So the last date to apply for this company is 9th of August, and the second company is Kantar, and you can apply till 11th of August for Kantar. So we will describe all the details such as job description, the eligibility criteria and the test details. So let us start with MetricStream. The role MetricStream is offering is member of technical staff. It is a full-time job. The work location will be Bangalore. The offered CTC here is 6 LPA, and there will be a service agreement or bond for 2 years. That is, you will not be able to leave the company before 2 years of joining. The eligibility criteria, you must be either BE BTech or MCA. The branches from BE BTech eligible are computer science, information technology and electronics and communication. Only the pass out batch of 2021 graduates are eligible. You must also have excellent communication skills and a total of 8 CGP at least in your 10th, 12th and graduation. What are the preferred skills? So there are three different sections. The first one is languages. You must know C, C++, Java, JavaScript, ES6 or RDBMS in languages, and in operating systems such as Android and iOS. Technologies such as SQLite and RESTful or Git. The job responsibilities include R&D, delivery and support. So you may be working in any of these three departments. The selection process, first there will be an online aptitude test, and if you qualify this round, then you will move on to the technical interview, and at last there will be an HR interview. So the registration form is same as usual. So you have to fill this form and you will receive the test link if you are eligible. The second company is Kantar. They are also hiring from My Anatomy platform as similar in the MetricStream. So let us start with all the details. The job description. The job role or title is analyst. It is a full-time job. The work location is Bangalore. The offered CTC is 4 LPA. There will be no service agreement or bond. That is a very good point. The eligibility criteria. You must be BE or BTech from any stream or BSc from statistics, and only 2020 and 2021 pass out batch are eligible. You must also have excellent communication skills, a minimum academic score of 60% in 10th, 12th and graduation. Students with active backlog are not eligible to participate. Essential skills required are you must have completed course in data analytics or machine learning or Python and R skills. So there are other skills mentioned. I have provided both the links in the description. You can visit this website and see all the things in detail. The roles and responsibilities include data veracity as per problem brief, hypothesis building and model development, ensure statistical hygiene, hands-on with programming and modeling with visualization tools, and at last, willing to learn new things and experiment to get to the best solution. The selection process is similar: an online aptitude test followed by a technical interview and HR interview. The registration form is also similar, so you can apply to both of these companies. I already mentioned the last date to apply, which is 9th of August for MetricStream and 11th of August for Kantar. So that is all for this video. I hope you understood each and every point. So see you soon in the next.